Hi, my name's Andy Valencia from the British Veterinary Hospital, and we're going to talk about trimming your animal's nails, how to do it, what can go wrong, and what to do if things do go wrong. Quite an important topic because, number one, if you get it wrong, you could end up in a bit of a mess. Number two, if you don't keep an eye on things and nails do get too long, you can have some significant issues, to your animal's health. One example is some cats' nails can grow so long that they grow all the way around and start growing into pads, which causes a significant amount of pain and infection. And obviously it's not something that's completely avoidable. So, if we're thinking about trimming your animal's nails, if you do want to get it done, I think the main thing is, whenever your cat is relaxed, start playing with the feet, start getting them used to having the feet touched. It's something that lots and lots of animals don't like having done, and even when they're relaxed, keep doing that and touching their feet, they don't always get desensitized to it. So it can still be, it can still be sort of the most difficult part of trimming an animal's nails is that instant reflex to pull the foot away as soon as it's touched. The next thing to do if you're considering trimming your animal's nails is that you need to get the appropriate tools. With cats, I tend to like to use these sort of small nail clippers because there isn't a lot of thickness that you need to get through. For a bigger dog, we would go for something like this, which are some big nail clippers, because actually there's a lot of leverage, a lot of force you need to use to get through those big, thick, hard nails. I think what we need to really have an idea of before we start trying to trim nails is have an idea of the anatomy of the nail. Nails are basically tubes of hard keratin, and they are surrounding sort of a soft inner quick. That quick contains lots of blood vessels and also a nerve. So if you inadvertently do trim a nail too short and nick the quick, you can end up with a fair amount of blood, a surprising amount of blood actually, and also a dog or a cat that is going to yelp out and it's going to let you know that you've done something that you shouldn't have done. It happens to absolutely everyone. I don't know a vet or a nurse in the world who hasn't accidentally trimmed a nail too short and nipped it quick. If it does happen to you, the rule of thumb is do not panic. Wrap a towel around it, just so that your house doesn't become an absolute mess, and give it some time, because honestly, an animal will not bleed out from trimming a nail too short, even though it will look like it and you're going to worry about it. I promise you it won't happen. So basically what you want to do is you want to start trying to have an idea of where a quick is within an animal's nail. With white nails, that's reasonably easy. You can see sort of a pink inner tube that's within the nail, and you can just avoid that pink tube. Anyone with animals that have white nails, go have a look and you'll see it. That is the quick, and that's what you want to avoid. It becomes a lot more tricky when you have a dog with black nails because you can't see it, and actually quicks can be very variable in their length and how much of the nail they actually occupy. So in one dog, the quick might be literally just a few millimetres into the nail. Others, it can be almost a centimetre into the nail, depending on how long those nails are. And unless you can see it, things can go wrong. My advice would be, if you're not confident, and anyone who wants to do it, take your dog or cat into a vet and get them to trim your animal's nails. Have a look at them, tell them that you would like to be taught how to do this, and then, just go through it step by step. If you have an animal with black nails, my advice would be, let someone else do it, because that way, if there's any blood, you can blame them, and it's not your fault. That's it for me. Thank you very much. Feel free to contact me or any of or your own vets if you have any questions about this topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.